What's going on, pros? This is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. Hello to all the YouTube community around the world. I didn't realize there are so many people from different places. Some people that don't even install film, but they're aficionados of looking at window film applications going on, and they asked me about the rag and all this kind of stuff. This is not a blue hard squeegee. It's a very soft one, exactly like the black one, but this is blue. One pass and you're pretty much done as far as like cleanliness here on the side. You do have to use a real nice, hear all that squeaking? It's a soap that I use as a prepper. If you get one of these, then maybe you didn't catch because of the curve or whatever. There it is to the bottom. I'm gonna do this right here. Anyway, this is my cleaning solution. Let me go ahead and use my slip install solution. And if you ask me what my slip install, I use several. This is going to be a legal sticker that they wanted. I'll put it on real quick. All right, there it is. Don't look back anymore. There it is. Okay. Oh, my man. Okay, my pattern. We can do an air peel. For the guys that don't have, you know, they have mobile shops and whatever, air peel. I did remove the gasket. There it is. The door is already tricked, meaning it's all the way up. Do not forget to trick your doors. There. It is Sunday, 95 degrees. Pretty humid and hot here in South Texas. My customer is waiting in the front. I don't open today. It is Sunday out. But he couldn't have the car tinted any other day, so I have nothing to do. I already came back from the ranch doing all my duties as far as cleaning and all that. Anyway, for those of you that asked me, solutions, again, I have it in so many videos that I have a solution for cleaning, which I believe is strongly has to be different than your mounting solution. Of course, you already know that the mounting solution has to be well, you know, something that'll help the film adhere to the glass a little bit stronger without all the residues that dishwashing soap or any other things do. And I do, I mean, I've used it for years, dishwashing soap, but you know, we're trying to get better. All right, man. Oh man, I'm trying to get as micro as possible. There you go. That way, customer can have the very best install ever. All right, man. Okay, I think I kind of touched it here on the side. It might be a little bit over, so let's go ahead and do a little trick. Here it is. Do a little trick there. So this kind of, well, you know, shaving. Don't try it if you've never done it, because then you're gonna mess up your perfectly greatly tinted window. If you can see that little hair flying off, that's all that I felt with my hand, and that's enough to cause, you know, peeling from there. And that's about it, my man. It's all good. It's all she wrote. Thank you for joining me here on a Sunday. I know you got better things to do, but learning how to tint windows 101 is always at the top of my list. Right, guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.